name is Geeta Madhuri. I am from 6th class. Today's topic is A to Z shortcuts in MS Word. Control A is for select all, Control B is for bold, Control C is for copy, Control D is for open font dialog box, Control E is for center alignment, Control F is for find, Control G is for go to, Control H is for replace, Control I is for italic, Control J is for justified alignment, Control K is for uh, insert insert hyperlink, Control L is for left alignment, Control M is for increasing length, Control N is for new, Control O is for open, Control P is for print, Control Q is for decreasing length, Control R is for right alignment, Control S is for save, Control T is for increase tab space, Control U is for underline, Control V is for paste, Control W is for close working area, Control Z is for cut, Control Y is for redo, Control Z is for undo.